Look at the pomegranates in the garden that I put there. It's a beautiful day today. This day is so lovely. It's the day after Thanksgiving, and it's just beautiful weather. I love the weather like this. It's perfect. Perfect. There's nothing like cooler weather in Florida, the end of November, being able to walk in your sandals through the grass. This is a calamansi tree, and I love picking from it and making offerings to my ancestors and the gods. So I'm going to pick 3. And I love to make an offering as well with the banana leaf to Ganesha. So we also have a banana tree in the back. But it's a gorgeous day. I wish everyone a very fun and fulfilled weekend. Blessed be.